it's your boy Ray Ray and
Days Beauty.
And today we are back again with another video.
So today we are excited to be doing this video, and we have another TikTok
viral snack.
Okay, so we are going to taste these viral snacks. We did a video on TikTok hacks as far as like the foods and everything. So this time we're going to do snacks. So what we have, we went to our local grocery store and they had these here. So we're going to be trying them. We're going to do our thumbnail and then we're going to go right into tasting these treats. Okay, let's go. All right, so the first, Floyd, you was excited about this, right? So what are these called?
Jelly fruit.
Jelly fruits, and they are this juice?
I think they're jelly and juice inside.
Ooh, that sounds disgusting. Okay.
I'm gonna go with the strawberry.
I thought we was gonna taste them all.
Oh, we can. I'm kind of scared about this one. I don't know what this is.
We don't know what this one is. Sorry for all the crackling of the bags, but we have like a pineapple flavor, grape, and strawberry. We don't know what this is. I don't know if it's like lemon or orange. My brother think it's a pepper, so I don't know. And then, yeah, these little candies. We're just gonna open it and we're just gonna try it. So let's start. We're gonna save these for last because Floyd is really excited to try those. So we're gonna open up this bag.
Fold it in half. Roll it again. Look at that, a stick. Oh yeah! Ah, my teeth! Wow, this is really sticky.
Okay.
I don't know what is.
You guys, what is this? What is this? So we are gonna try to find like clips and videos. I mean, I've never seen this on TikTok, but we're going to, have you seen it?
I saw this, but I don't know what it's called.
So we're going to try to find clips and videos of what each item is. If we can't, then sorry. So you have seen this. I haven't seen this, so we're going to try it. So, yeah.
I'll just open like a little piece.
You open yours from the bottom? I open mine from the top.
Ooh, mine smell like green
Ooh.
apple.
Mine smell like strawberry. Okay, so let's try it. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to hear it? You want to take this all the way off?
It's hard to come off.
Yeah, it's actually hard. Holy moly, it is sticky.
I'm gonna just get a piece from right here.
I was trying to like present it to you guys and make it all like,
Now it's all stuck together.
oh crap. Okay, so it's stuck together. We can't, I was gonna try to like eat it like this, but anyway,
I got a little piece.
let's just try it. All right, you ready?
Help me! Help me!
I think it's some type of like Mexican candy.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
It tastes
Look at
like
this. Somebody come and look at this.
flat Jolly Rancher mixed with like some Mexican seasoning, or if you tried it, you
It
know
tastes
what I'm
like
talking about.
a bunch of tahini.
All right, a Jolly Rancher mixed with a tahini.
It don't taste like that. It's good. It's good.
I actually like it. It's good. If you like the like hot sauce, but it's very subtle. With like a fake Jolly Rancher, sugary, whatever. Sorry for the smacking. 1 second, we're gonna get some hand sanitizer. All right, so we just have some baby wipes on the side. All right, so next candy. So which one you gonna try next?
Let's Yeah, let's try that.
Okay, so the next treat we have, it looks like a watermelon taffy. I don't know. Or like, I don't know. It's a taffy, so let's just try it. Ready?
That was just sticky.
Yeah, it's taffy. What is it called? Rocky Freeze. That's the name of it.
Yeah, I got paper on it.
It's good. This is just a regular taffy.
And it's
Like a watermelon
and
taffy. Rocky Freeze. They actually have their website on here, rockyfreeze.com. Taffy.
that's good.
I like this. Oh, I'm gonna clean my throat. That was good, huh? Okay, let's try the next candy.
Let's see what it's done. This one?
No, because they all like suckers. You want to do this one?
It doesn't matter.
Okay, so this is just your regular ring pop. We're gonna try
We don't
it.
know what kind, though.
We don't know what kind it is. It's basically like a mystery TikTok bag that we bought. Ready? I don't. It smells sweet. This is just a regular ring pop.
Mine is what? Strawberry. Strawberry.
I think mine is strawberry too. Everybody know what a ring pop tastes like, so on to the next candy. This is good though. So this is pretty funky. This is what is this? A melony pop?
Check out these whistle pops, guys.
It's strawberry as well. So let's give this a try. What in the world? I'm sorry. I have to smell everything I eat. I don't know why. It's so weird, but you guys can see like what this is. And mine is a strawberry flavor. I think they're all strawberries. You know? Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. So oh, it's like a whistle candy. It's like a whistle candy. If you guys can see. Yeah.
Oh, it is kind of like a whistle.
Yeah, it's a whistle. As you look on here on the sucker, it's like a whistle out of the candy's mouth with a little music sign. So yeah, that's pretty fun. I've never seen this on TikTok.
Me either. I saw this on TikTok. I saw that.
Yeah, so it's the same way with the little whistle candy. Basically, it's a whistle pop. So let's try it. I'm gonna blow in it and see if it really whistles. Yeah. Yours is better.
No, I turned mine upside down.
It's about to go down.
Why it tastes so sour? It's good, but it tastes so sour.
This tastes like watermelon.
Yeah. I like it, but it's too sour.
It's not sour.
Well, guys, look like she like it.
It's kind of hard to kind of actually suck the candy, like eat the candy, because the whistle thing is like in your mouth and you're trying to suck it, but then it's like weird. So it's actually hard to suck it like and eat it because the whistle part is like distracting. So it's, yeah. I like it. I don't think it's sour. Do you think it's sour? I don't think it's sour. Okay, so on to the next little candy. All of them are basically suckers. What the heck, man?
I haven't saw these on TikTok.
What the heck? I have not seen these on TikTok. Oh, well, when they're cooking and stuff, and like decorating and like with the drinks and stuff. So let's try this. This is like a buttercream or a butterscotch type of flavor. I don't know. I have some scissors here.
What?
It don't smell like nothing.
Mine smell like cardboard.
What the heck do cardboard smell like?
I don't know.
It do smell like cardboard. It smell like something, child. I don't know. So this is the close up. Let's try it. Cheers.
I want you to try it.
It really doesn't have a flavor.
I'm cool.
I think it's like a fake caramel banana or something.
I just taste cardboard. Ugh.
I'm trying to really give it a try. I think it's like a banana caramel or banana flavored something, but it's really subtle. More like a, I don't know. It tastes like something, but I would eat it. It's good. I don't know where to put this. Okay. So the next we have, this is actually a chocolate. And yes, this is like a marshmallow chocolate little pop. So let's give it a try.
Got mine. It smells very chocolatey, like rich chocolate.
Oh yeah, it smells really rich. Look at this little short little pop sticker noodle. Alrighty. This do not look appetizing. Okay, so you ready? It's just a chocolate covered marshmallow. It's just a chocolate covered marshmallow.
It tastes like when you go to what's it called? Go to Corral and you get some marshmallows and put it in the chocolate thing.
Yeah, this reminds you of like if you ever ate at the restaurant Golden Corral, the buffet, and they have like the chocolate fountain and you get marshmallows and dip it in. That's exactly what this tastes like. Okay, so on to the next, which is going to be Floyd's favorite. It is actually
Well, I never tried it. I just hope it's my favorite because
mini
I
snack.
haven't tried it.
All right, so the flavors we have, we're going to try. We both have strawberry, grape, and pineapple, and then this whatever this thing is.
We're
So
gonna
let's
do
give
that
it a
for
try.
last this time. We're
Okay.
gonna do this for last. 'Cause
Okay, so we're going to first try grape. I have my water right here. I'm not a fan of grape flavored things, but anything else I am. So we're gonna give this a try. Oh, that's what they do on TikTok? They do what?
yeah.
Oh, they just bite like this? I'm not gonna bite this food, but you're more welcome to do that.
No.
Okay, so I'm just gonna cut off the top.
Oh, it's actually jelly. You know, I knew that.
It smells actually really good. You ready? Cheers. It's a no for me, dog.
It's a no for me, dog.
It's a no for me. Here.
Ooh, yeah.
That is literally like juice with jello. Like we got a video with boba drink. And this tastes like little jelly pieces of jelly
And the
and juice. No, it's not terrible aftertaste. That's no. That grape is disgusting.
oh,
Somebody need to get fired. Somebody getting fired. Okay, so the next flavor we have is pineapple.
hopefully this is good.
Hopefully this flavor is good. Pineapple is always a win. It's so rich in its scent. Like it's so rich in flavor. Like you can.
Just smell like this one.
This one smells really good. Ready? Cheers.
Don't taste like nothing.
I can deal with this flavor better than grape. And just because it's a little thing, it's a lot that's in here. Like this is enough. But you know what? I will prefer this cold than warm. Yes, I'm done with this. This is better than the grape.
It's better than grape, but it still tastes the same, like the aftertaste.
Oh yeah, the aftertaste is still kind of like wonky. Okay, so the next flavor we do have is strawberry.
Oh, hopefully this is good. If it's not good, I don't know what to tell you. I wish they had the green apple, but they didn't have it all. All of these smell the same though.
They're strong in their scent. Cheers. Strawberry.
Ooh. Well, it just tastes like the grape.
That's strong.
Oh.
This is strong. It almost got like an aftertaste of like the children cough syrup.
Oh God.
This probably got to taste better when it's cold. It has to taste better when it's cold. It has to, because that is disgusting. But what I do like about it, if you look at it, it doesn't even look like it has jelly in it. Like that's the pretty cool part. And when you drink it, it's like all these little bubbles of like jelly. So that's pretty cool. This is the last one, and as we smell it, on the outside, it actually smells like peach. So hopefully this is like a peach flavor. So we're gonna try this for you. All right, cheers. Okay, all right, cheers.
3, 2, 1.
This is good. We're not even tasting it. This one is the best one.
It's peach. But I prefer this
Yeah, all those other ones, those had strong aftertastes, but the peach one is actually good. Okay.
So what candy do you like most?
I have to say my favorite would have to be the taffy and this one here. So these are my two favorite. The suckers are like not flavored slash. I don't know. It's weird. Like they really didn't have a taste. Like the ring pop, of course, that was strawberry. But like considering like this one and like the other whistle one, they really didn't have flavor. So I'm gonna have to pass on that. What about you?
My favorite one is the Laffy Taffy, is what it's called, and the ring pop, because the rest is just
And then out of like the little jelly drinks, which ones did you prefer?
the last one,
The peach. Yeah, same here. I only like the peach. I was disappointed because I always love strawberry anything, so I was looking forward and hoping that the strawberry would be like one of the best ones, but it wasn't. So yeah. All right, you guys, this is the end of the video.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.
All right, bye.
Bye.